Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're just gonna do a quick power hour. I have laundry to put away, I have the bed to make, I have the living room to pick up a little bit since Wyatt's not here, and then I'm going to get ready for the day. I already have done all of that because I look like a monster this morning, so I thought better to wait until I'm kind of more put together. So that's what I've done. Justin has taken Wyatt out. He had to go to the bank and to pick up coffees for us, and I think he's getting kitty litter because the cats need a change. So he's doing all of that. I'm out of breath already. I'm gonna insert the morning or I guess the beginning of the hour now. Okay, so we've put the laundry away, we've tidied up the room a bit, we are downstairs. We're going to move on to the kitchen. I have Wyatt's bottles to wash, dishes to put away, and then his formula to make. So let's go get that done with. So I'm just coming back to my list and I just want to cross some things off. So we've put the laundry away, we've vacuumed the rug, the dishes are put away, we've washed the bottles and put the formulas away, and the last thing I want to do is just make some lunch before the boys get home. So lunch today is going to be very easy for me. My brother actually signed up for Good Food. It's like HelloFresh, but I think it's just like a Canadian version. So we have 4 meals to try. We tried, it was like a pan-seared chicken breast with roasted veggies and a salad last night. It was really good. And today for lunch, we're gonna have fall vegetable and caramelized onion flatbread. And they give you everything you need like right in this bag, which is actually so cool. So that's what's gonna be for lunch today. My battery's almost dead, or I'd probably bring you through this whole thing with me. It has officially been 52 minutes since I started the power hour. I have wood being delivered today, so this afternoon is basically gonna be me stacking as much as I can while Wyatt naps / goes to bed, as long as it's still light out. It's been getting dark pretty early. So I'm gonna go ahead and make this lunch. It'll probably be in the oven for when the boys come home, which is sweet. Some of their recipes list right on it whether or not they're dairy-free, vegetarian, whatnot. This is a vegetarian meal. I'm pretty excited to try it. So yeah, this is just from Good Food. They deliver monthly. I'm not subscribed, but I did get a chance to try it for free. So, and I really like it. I'm just not sure if I'll continue with it or not because it is kind of pricey. But anyways, that's what's for lunch. I'm sweating like a pig here, but I really hope you enjoyed this video and this power hour with me. I had so much fun bringing you along, and yeah, hopefully it motivates you to get off the butt or off the couch and you know, go out and get some stuff done today. If you've liked this, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe. If you have subscribed, thanks for sticking around and coming with me while I do household chores every day. And I can't speak right now because I'm trying to get this all in before my battery dies. So anyways, have a great day, guys. I'm really excited try out this meal. And if you're interested in coming along with one of the good food recipes, give it a thumbs up or mention in the comments below. I'll probably bring you guys along one day with me anyways. So have a good day, ladies and gents. There's probably men watching this too. Maybe. Okay, bye. The boys are back. This took about 20 minutes, but I just wanted to show you guys what our lunch looked like. It looks actually really pretty good, so. That was the caramelized vegetable pizza from Good Food.